Yes. Good morning, student. So today we will see how to design the NAND gate using TTL. Okay. अभी तक जो प्रीवियस वीडियो है उसमें हमने देखा था इन्वर्टर मतलब नॉट गेट TTL से कैसे डिज़ाइन करना है. देन CMOS से भी हमने देखा है इन्वर्टर NAND गेट एंड NOR गेट कैसे डिज़ाइन करना है. So as compared to all this thing, all this designing, this designing of NAND gate using TTL is a little bit of not we can say the complicated. The diagram is a little bit of big one. Okay, so you have to draw this diagram in the examination if the question is on that. Okay, so I'll explain you how to write the answer of this TTL designing of NAND gate using TTL, right? So before starting the explanation, you should know what is the truth table of NAND gate, right? So this is the truth table is in front of you. That is, if there are two input, that is A and B, 0 0 के लिए क्या होता है 1 होता है, right? 0 1 के लिए 1, 1 0 के लिए 1 and 1 1 के लिए 0, right? Means if any one of the input is 0, if any one of the input is 0, your output is 1. So this is what the NAND gate, right? So this is the diagram. As the name indicates, this is what the transistor logic. मतलब whatever the design we are going to see of this NAND gate, we are using the n number of transistor. Okay, so this is the entire design. Now we will see what is Q1. There are four transistor. There are four transistor. That is, first one is a Q1. This is Q2. This is Q3, and this is what the Q4. Right. So if you look at this, all the transistor. This particular Q1 transistor, which is having a two emitter, right? क्यों? क्योंकि NAND गेट में कितने इनपुट्स है? 2 है, इसीलिए मैंने 2 इमीटर यहाँ पे निकाले. रेस्ट ऑफ द ट्रांजिस्टर को एक ही इमीटर है. दिस इज कलेक्टर एंड दिस इज बेस. व्हाट रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स आर कॉमन. ओके, so this is mentioned over. So what is Q1? This is multi-emitter transistor is used because we need to give the two input. What is the function of this Q2 transistor? It is a phase splitter. That is, it controls the next stage. Yes, it decides whether the output is go high or low. And Q3 and Q2 are the totem-pole output stage. Okay, so these are only the words you need to remember. No need to do the writing, the in detailing of this transistor. We will see the working of this one after drawing this diagram. So I'll start the working of this. So what will happen? What is the first input, student? What is the first input? That is 0 and 0. मतलब A and B के लिए मैं क्या दे रहा हूँ यहाँ पे? 0 and 0. So what will happen? Yes. So this table is also extremely important for writing the explanation of this working, right? So 0 0 देने के बाद what will happen? If A and B is 0 0, this particular Q1 is in the forward bias condition, right? मतलब ये क्या हो जाएगा? Q1 क्या हो जाएगा? On हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे भी लिखा है देखो, Q1 is in the on condition, right? And the current is flowing in that condition. The current is flowing through this 5 volt 4 kilo ohm base and is through the to the emitter, right? And because of this, what will happen? Because of this in the on condition, what will happen, student? This collector, this is the collector terminal. This collector will not have a sufficient base current to on this Q2, so that Q2 is in the off condition. Q2 क्या हो गया? ऑफ कंडीशन हो गया, राइट? मतलब ये क्या हो गया? ऑफ हो गया, राइट? ये ऑन है, ऑफ है. अभी देखो, ये यही ऑफ है. अगर ये ऑफ है, ये वाला अगर ऑफ है, ये वाला 0 0 के कंडीशन में, तो ये वाला भी ऑफ ही होगा, क्योंकि बेस, यस, इसके बेस को कहाँ से आ रहा है? सप्लाई Q2 से आ रहा है. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो इन द ऑफ कंडीशन, right? And this 5 volt, the and Q3, here, because of this on condition, the sufficient base current will get for the Q2, so that Q3 is in the on condition, Q1 is also in the on condition, right? And the current is flowing through this 5 ohm. This Q3 is in the on through diode, and Y is high, that is 1. Y is equals to 1. Got it? Yes or no? मतलब यहाँ पे दिखा देखो, Q1 on है, Q2 off है, Q1 Q3 Q4 off है, and Y is equals to 1 आ गया, right? Yes, so we have done for this 0 0. Now look at the student, this one, look at this one. For if any one of the input is 0, if any one of the input is 0, everything is same over here. See, look at this table, very important. Q1 is in the on condition, Q2 is in the off condition, whatever I have explained you, with Q3 is in the on and Q4 is in the off condition, right? Yes or no? So in examination you need to write for case 1 AB 00, case 2 01, case 3 10, and only the thing changes over here is 1 1. अभी 1 1 में क्या होगा? If it is 1 1, if it is 1 1, this is in the off condition, and this collector, see, this collector of this Q1 is having a high voltage, so that Q2 is in the on condition, right? Q2 is in the on condition. Yes, देखो Q2 is in the on condition, ये क्या है? Off है, right? And because of this Q2 is in the on condition, Q4 is also in the on condition. Q4 is also in the on condition because it gets a sufficient current over here. Yes or no? And this, as this is on, the collector voltage of this Q2 is very less, so that it is in the off condition. Q3 is in the off condition, and the supply is not getting, so that Y is equals to 0. That output you will get here the 0 over here. Okay, these three are same, this is only the different. So this is all about the designing of NAND gate using TTL. 0 0 0 1 1 0 के लिए same I repeat again, and 1 1 के लिए ये टेबल रिमेंबर कर लो और ये डायग्राम रिमेंबर कर लो, और केस 1 केस 2 केस 3 केस 4 के हिसाब से आंसर. थैंक यू.